Welcome to the future of data-driven solutions. Introducing the Data Science Pro Kit, designed to collect, analyze, and act on data to solve real-world problems while aligning with UNSDG goals. Harness the potential of data with the Data Science Pro Kit. Powered by Python and integrated with Microsoft Excel and Power BI. A statistical investigation begins by asking focused questions to guide the research. Relevant data is then collected and organized for analysis. Using statistical tools, the data is analyzed and visualized to uncover trends or patterns. Finally, the results are interpreted to draw conclusions and implemented to inform decisions or solve problems. This process ensures data-driven, actionable insights. Whether it's climate action, health monitoring, or sustainable agriculture, our kit aligns with a set of standards such as NGSS, NCTM, ISDE, GAZE, and CCSS standards, ensuring that it fits seamlessly into your curriculum. This kit gives you the tools to make an impact. Tackle climate action challenges head-on with our kit's versatile sensors. Measure light intensity, detect harmful gases, monitor rainfall, and track temperature changes. These sensors work together to provide real-time data for weather monitoring, helping to predict patterns and support environmental research. From tracking pollutants in the air to analyzing climate trends, it's all possible with the Data Science Pro Kit. Next, improve health and well-being with our health-focused sensors. Measure light, detect harmful gases, monitor sound levels, and track vital signs like heart rate and blood oxygen levels. Ensure healthy indoor environments by detecting air pollutants and noise levels. Use the health sensors to track your heart rate and other vital signs, whether you're working out or just keeping an eye on your wellness. Data science is now personal. Create sustainable cities and communities by implementing smart solutions for urban living. With motion detectors, gas sensors, vibration sensors, and flame detectors, the Data Science Kit enhances building safety and city management. From early fire detection to monitoring structural health, these sensors provide actionable data that can prevent disasters and improve urban life. And for air quality, our gas sensors continuously monitor pollution levels in cities, ensuring a healthier, safer environment for all. In the world of agriculture, the Data Science Pro Kit is driving innovation through zero hunger initiatives. Our agri-based sensors are designed to optimize farming and irrigation, measure soil moisture, detect rainfall, monitor air quality, and track temperature variations to ensure the perfect growing conditions for crops. Automate irrigation with smart moisture sensors, ensuring crops get the right amount of water without waste. Optimize planting and harvesting schedules using precision data from our temperature and raindrop sensors. From climate action and smart cities to health and agriculture, the Data Science Kit is your all-in-one tool to collect, analyze, and act on data. Get your Data Science Pro Kit today and start creating solutions that matter.